Hey up! Today's bit of a job is to do a bit of a refurb on my bench and basically make an extra couple of drawers to go in there, but also the drawers that are currently there to jiggle them around a little bit. These are the drawers here. The bottom drawer is quite deep, I don't know, probably 150mm deep, something like that, 200mm deep, and then the other two are about 100mm deep. And like I say, if you have a look at the bottom of the unit, there's a bit of a gap there where basically I just store a couple of saws and stuff. And what I'm going to do is drop the 3 drawers down and then put 2 new drawers at the top. This is them 3 drawers taken out now. As you can see, the drawer runners that I used, like I say, they're off an old cabinet or something as a strip down. So anyway, like I say, I'll drop them them drawer runners down to match the drawers that I've already got, and then fit the new ones above. Right, what I've done, I've dropped all the drawers down, and then it's the top 2 drawers that I'm going to make up. The fronts of the drawers have got to be remade because it's slightly out, unless I just repossess them, I don't know yet. But anyway, I think I'm going to make all new drawer fronts, and then I'll make the drawer boxes, put the runners in. Although the runners that I've got are just these, because I've taken off some old cabinets that I stripped down one time. I've got them, but then the only other pair that I've got are smaller by about 50mm. But these 2 top drawers are only going to be small anyway. Probably, I don't know, 70mm deep at the most. Right, I've cut some bits. Now, what I've cut is this drawer here is going to be 85mm deep, and this one is going to be 60mm deep. A couple of bases. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm basically utilising what I've got knocking round. I still need to sort the front of them out. So that one's a bit stiff for some reason, I don't know why, but hopefully it'll free up. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the fronts and stick all them on. Right, what I've got here is some bits of wood as I picked up. It's MDF, and they're off stairs. Got this bull nose on and this bit in here. So what I'm going to do is use these for the drawer fronts. A bit overkill really, I think they're about 20mm wide or something. But anyway, because I'm just using up what I've got around the shop, I thought these would kind of do. So anyway, I'm going to cut them down to size and I'm going to use them, and I'm going to keep this bull nose on for the top of the drawer. It means I've got this bit here, but that doesn't matter. Right, what I've done, I've fixed this piece of wood across the bottom here, and then this piece here, I'm just sitting on top of that to give me level. I'm going to fix that on, and then I'm going to measure for my next one with about a 2 or 3 mil gap between each drawer. Right, I've fitted the bottom 3 drawer fronts, and the way I'm doing it is I'm using these 2 mil packers, these plastic packers in between. I'm holding the front on with these clamps, and then basically I just screw from the inside the drawer once it's clamped, and screw it in position. That's it, I've fitted the handles. Managed to find another couple. The gap on that one is about, I don't know, for some reason it's there's about a mil difference, but I don't really understand why. Well, I do, I put it on wrong onto somehow, but anyway, for what it is, like I say, it gives me an extra couple of drawers, which is what I set out to do. And now I can tidy up the other drawers and make them a bit more organised. Anyway, it's got rid of a bit of a scrap wood as well, which again was an aim, and it's done what I wanted to do. Next thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put a bit of a new surface on here, whether I use a bit of plywood, or I'm wondering whether you just use hardboard or something like that, or MDF, I don't know yet, but just to tidy it up a bit really. Anyway, that's it for now. Catch you on the next one.